Right. So you want to be less awkward, whether it's in school or public or any sort of social situation in general. Pretty much anywhere. Maybe you're like how I was in school, where you'd be waiting outside the class for the lesson to start and all the other classmates are talking to each other and stuff, and you're just there standing awkwardly, not knowing whether to put your hands in your pockets or cross them. So you just pull out your phone and you pretend like you're doing something. So, yes, this calculator app is very interesting today. Oh, bro, it's so awkward, bro. Pretending like you're busy texting someone when you're really not. You're just waiting for the lesson to start. And it feels bad because you want to be more involved when people are talking to each other, and you want to come across as less awkward. And you know, you might have people telling you, girls telling you, you seem a bit awkward. And it sucks. It feels kind of bad, doesn't it? Just want to be more confident and have more friends. And maybe you just want to come across as less creepy. In general, we both agree that it'd be helpful to be less awkward, right? So you go on YouTube and search up how to be more confident, and you come across videos like top 10 ways to be more confident. Number 1, fake it till you make it. Number 2, eye contact. And you're watching them thinking, yeah, these guys are cooking. I'm gonna memorize these. All of this advice seems good. It's gonna work, right? Wrong. You're watching all of these videos on how to be more confident, thinking that it's gonna make you less awkward, right? But quite frankly, a lot of them are just complete and utter BS. Yes, being more confident is a factor in being less awkward, but it's not the main component in destroying awkwardness. Having good social skills and social intelligences. Because when you've reached the point where you're at a high enough level in both, you're able to speak and behave in a more social way that seems less awkward to people. If you have good social intelligence, you can even say something that seems like completely weird and awkward, and it won't come across as so. You won't be seen as awkward for saying it. But even if you know all the confidence tips, stand up straight and eye contact and everything, even if you have that but you have a low social intelligence, you'll still come across as awkward. How exactly? When you're more socially intelligent, you're more tuned to social cues, like when to speak to people, when to actually approach somebody in a way that's not awkward, what to say in conversations and how to say them so you don't seem weird or creepy. And so the other person is actually reciprocated, and it leads to a better conversation. And when you get better social skills, you act and do things that make you seem more friendly, and people actually start to like you more. And so you won't be seen as awkward anymore. Now, how to actually get better at social skills and become more socially intelligent. And if you're gonna take anything from this video, let it be this. Go out and practice the skills that you learn. When I say practice, I mean actually go out and talk to people. Literally just going up to people and practicing what you learn. Whenever I was in school and college and I saw somebody did that, I kind of knew. I thought they were cool and I wanted to speak to them. Instead of actually going up and speaking to them and like spudding them and saying, yo, I'd literally just be like standing there, I'd be walking past them like while mewing to seem cool. Like, I'd literally be being like, to look more cool, right? Like, bro, you don't look like one of those look-macking guys, you're just weird. But when I actually started learning about all of these social skills, like complimenting people and smiling, and went and started using it on different people, girls especially, I realized that the more I did it, the more I kind of like knew. It was cringy and stuff at first, but I realized that the more I did it, the more that I was getting used to it and knowing what to say, how to say things and not seem weird. I was becoming more social intelligent, and I started using the social skills I'd learned to make people actually like me, and it was working. Getting the information online, trying out while I was learning, and getting results. It was literally that simple. And you have to do it in that order as well if you actually want to be less awkward and make more friends. Even if it's cringe and everything in your mind is telling you not to socialize because you're gonna end up coming across as weird or awkward. Number 1, your body reacts to whatever your mind is thinking. So if you're in a mood that's awkward and you're thinking all of these negative awkward thoughts, you're gonna come across as awkward anyways. Number 2, rejection and awkward moments are literally part of becoming less awkward and more social. You can't be more social without having these awkward experiences. Number 3, I guarantee if you're to talk to somebody and like say something or mess up or be awkward in any sort of way, they're literally gonna forget about it within the next 5 minutes, bro. But you're gonna be thinking about it days later in bed when you feel, oh, I shouldn't have said that. It's literally not that deep, bro. I've just seen my next 2 targets. I think it's an old couple. I'm just gonna make some conversation or try and talk to them. Excuse me, I just moved here recently.
Yeah.
Do you guys live in the area?
Yes.
Okay, is it nice, like a nice area to go on walks and everything? Or
Yes, yes, it's lovely. Across the field. It's very lovely at this time.
yeah, I can tell.
Down here, you turn on that bend, you turn left.
Okay.
Down there, you
There's
can
a
walk.
track down
Yeah,
there.
Oh, there's a track you can walk down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, it's nice to. Have you guys like walked down there?
Oh,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
Plenty
Okay.
of times.
Plenty of time.
Okay,
Very nice walk.
I might go and check it out now. Thank you very much.
All right.
Okay, no
Go get
problem.
Have a
you,
nice
buddy.
day.
Bye-bye.
It's literally that easy, guys. Alright, so now you know the actual importance of having good social skills and having high social intelligence. So I'm just going to give you some practical stuff that works for me that you can literally do and go out and practice on people. Smiling will literally make you look more friendly and approachable. Think about it. If you're smiling while approaching someone and it's like a genuine smile, not like one of these forced like British smiles, like, but you know what it is, like yeah, like not like one of those smiles, like a real genuine smile. You approach them with this warm, friendly energy and they're likely to reciprocate that, and from there it'll be like really easy to have like a conversation or ask them something without seeming awkward as well. Now, like I said, it's important that it's a real genuine smile, not a fake one, and the easiest way to instantly make yourself smile and have a genuine smile is to think about something that makes you smile. Literally just now, I can't even explain what was making me smile, but it was literally like the fact that I'm recording this video and explaining how to smile, it just started making me smile. Think about something that makes you smile. Like, I'm gonna think about something like genuine now. You notice with me, I'll start laughing as well as I'm thinking. That's just how I am as a person. But with you literally just start smiling. It doesn't have to be like this wide like smile. You can literally just have like a casual. You walk up to someone with like a genuine smile because you're actually feeling good, because you're thinking about something that makes you like smile. It will really benefit you in being less awkward. Random acts of kindness as well, like picking up something that somebody dropped or leaving the door open for someone and doing it with a genuine smile as well, like I explained before. It makes you come across as more friendly and more caring, so people will actually like you more. It's impossible to seem awkward or like be awkward while you're helping someone. It literally doesn't make any sense. So that person will see you as less awkward as well, if not awkward at all. Now, giving genuine compliments is honestly a top tier, like one of the best social skills that you can develop. Giving people genuine, heartfelt compliments, and it's the one that I use the most because number one, it's an amazing conversation starter. You can literally go up to someone, compliment on something, and that instantly, just like that, they're in a happier mood. You can talk to them or ask them something, whatever you wanted to like talk to them about without seeming awkward. Start off with a genuine compliment. And two, you literally get to see the person's face like light up. You giving them that compliment probably made their entire day. You can see it on their face when you give that compliment. They like start smiling and they feel happy and stuff, and if it's a girl, they start like giggling a bit. Really wholesome, and it's like really fulfilling for yourself as well, because you're actually sharing this gift. Like, how can I explain? You're giving them your warm energy. It's like a gift that you're giving to them. That warm and friendly energy that makes people just like you, pretty much. Like, it's impossible to not like a person that's doing that for somebody. It's really hard to see them as awkward as well. So I'll give an example. So 2 weeks ago, I was in the gym and I was working out, doing my own exercise. I was doing dumbbell bench press and I was resting in between sets. And I see these two guys to my right. They're just like hitting a workout together. And I see them, they're shoulder pressing, dumbbell shoulder pressing. They're doing 25 kg, I think they were doing. And I remember feeling so like impressed. Damn, bro, like, I had this face of like, you know, like, Adonis. That genuine smile on my face. Like, I was feeling like so proud because they were also younger than me as well. But they were like shoulder pressing this like heavy shoulder press. I go up to them while they're resting. I'm like, yo, you guys are killing it. You guys seem sick. You guys are like insane. Shoulder pressing 25 kg. Because I was only on about 17.5 at the time. And I go up to them with like this friendly energy and like, yo, you guys are killing it. I go and spot them as well. And I literally just see them both start smiling and stuff. And looking at you like, yeah, this guy's cool. Talking to me, and they're actually asking me questions. And then all of a sudden, before you know it, they're asking me, oh, like, how long have you been good? And we literally just have like a 2 minute to 3 minute conversation just out of that. I get their names, just fist bump both of them, and I literally just continue my workout. I just made friends just like that. Like, I see them in the gym to this day. I literally just see them and just like fist bump them. Yo, how you doing? Like, what's going on? How you been? What are you working out today? Boom, just like that. It's like very easy. Giving genuine compliments about someone. So you see how giving like genuine, heartfelt compliments is a skill that you can literally level up to make people like you, instantly like you, and have conversations without coming across as weird or creepy. And that's as long as they're genuine as well. Look at someone and you think maybe they have like jewelry, or you think that their style is sick, or you think that they have like a cool haircut or something. Literally just go up to them and be like, yo bro, your hair's sick. Like, yo, your sense of style, your fashion is like, yeah, that's cool. Like, fist bump them as well. Like, I feel like it's like an XP booster. You fist bump them as you're giving them that compliment, and it just feels like you're giving them, like I said, you're giving them this gift of friendly energy and warmness and love and stuff like that. And it's like really cool. There's this whole thing of guys who don't really get compliments, especially from like girls as well. Being that person that just gives people compliments, like genuine, heartfelt compliments, will literally, like, oh my, I can't explain like how much it will benefit your social. If you're in school, your social status will literally improve. You'll be like that cool guy because everybody will like you, and as long as they're heartfelt compliments as well, not like just saying, oh yeah, you're cool, bro. See someone, think about something that seems cool about them and just compliment them on that. Boom, you're instantly less awkward, just like that. Now, probably the best thing that I can tell you that really helps me is to is just to start talking and start conversing with random people, bus drivers or shopkeepers. Maybe there's this shop that you continuously go to like every other day, buy like snacks or something that you shouldn't be eating because they're full in sugar and everything. See the same shopkeeper every time. You can literally ask him like, yo, how you doing and stuff like that. Smile. Practice these social skills. Like people in your class that you haven't really talked to, literally just go up to them, spot them and be like, yo, you done the homework or something like that. I can say that the reason why you might not know what to say in a situation without it seeming creepy or awkward, overthinking before you approach someone, or what do I say and stuff like that, instead of just literally going straight to them, is because you haven't talked to enough people. When I say you haven't talked to enough people, you haven't talked to enough people that you don't actually interact with on a daily basis. People outside that group, literally just start interacting with more and more. And you haven't spoken to enough people to actually know what to say and how to say it without seeming awkward and creepy. Now, I mentioned social intelligence a lot in this video, like social intelligence this and social intelligence that. I never really explained how to be more social intelligent, and the reason is because I literally can't. I literally can't tell you how to be more social intelligent because I don't know the sort of situations you're getting into every day. Like I can say general situations like class, but I don't know who you're interacting with and how you're interacting with them and what your relationship is with them. So I can't say do this and do that because I'd be saying what helps me, but I can't guarantee that it will work for you. But what I can say about social intelligence is mood and mind heavily dictates what your body shows to the world. And there's literally research and like studies that I've read and stuff like I'm not gonna like recite studies and everything. You can go and search them yourself. But essentially the simple way of saying it is whatever you're thinking in your mind, your body will show that to the world. I alluded to this earlier in the video as well. If you're in an awkward mood and you're overthinking about, oh, how am I looking right now? Am I looking weird? And if I say this, will it be weird? If you're in that type of mood and you go up to talk to somebody, it's gonna be how you're actually approaching them and how you seem to them. If you're in an awkward mood, you're going to seem awkward to people and they'll pick up on you. So essentially, if you're awkward, it's going to show. However, if you're in a friendly mood, even if you have to trick your brain, obviously don't lie to yourself, but trick your brain into being in a more social butterfly, like, you know, friendly mood where you're actually talking to people, fist bumping people, visualizing your brain before you actually go up to them. So quite frankly, our brain negatively visualizes against us. We visualize if we talk to that girl, she's going to reject us. If we go up to that guy, he's going to be like, bro, what are you doing? Just overwrite that and be in your brain, oh, if I go up to that person and like fist bump everybody, let's say there's a group of guys you want to go up to and like say something to. You just go, if you visualize in your brain, go and fist bump everyone, it puts you in a much more social mood and happy mood to actually go up to them. And that's where the social intelligence part comes in, because if you're having awkward situations and awkward like conversations, yes, it's part of the process, but you're not gonna gain much social intelligence because the conversations don't really have any value and they're kind of awkward. It's not really flowing. If you're in a friendly mood and you're bringing this happy energy and you have these skills that I taught you, like smiling and complimenting people, you're gonna rapidly gain more social intelligence because you're getting into better conversations with people and you're knowing what to say. You're like, oh, okay, this works. This doesn't work. Do you get what I'm trying to say? When you're in this like more social, butterfly, friendly mood, you're not gonna come across as awkward at all. You're gonna have more open body language and you'll seem more confident in what you're saying and how you're saying it. So you won't come across as awkward. However, all of this video will be for nothing and you'll literally gain nothing and no value from this video unless you go out and actually practice what I'm telling you and practice what I'm saying right now. If you want to learn more social skills, there's a really good book that I suggest. It's by Dale Carnegie and it's How to Win Friends and Influence People. This is the first book I read on like, you know, my whole self-improvement grind and everything. And it's a fantastic book on social skills. Literally just read the book, get all this knowledge and stuff, like all the social skills, go out and use them in real life. If you read that book, if you watch this video and you don't go out and talk to people and you don't go out and use these social skills, try and get more socially intelligent, and it will provide zero value and it's a waste of your time because you're not going to learn anything. And if you have these limiting beliefs like, oh no, it'd be cringe, or no, let me wait until I know all of the social skills, like, that's such a quote, bro. Like, oh, let me wait until I know all of the stuff. You have to understand that you're picking one of two pains when you're doing that. The pain of being kind of awkward in an attempt to make new friends and possibly even making new friends because of that awkwardness, or the pain of loneliness. I think we both know which one is worse. If you want more self-help videos from me, make sure you like this video, subscribe, especially with post notifications. Leave a comment and share the video to somebody who might need it as well. I'd very much appreciate that and be grateful for that. It's been your boy Just JK. I'll see you in the next video. Stay hard, stay blessed, and take action. Take care, man. Give me a swat.